Welcome to Venice, one of the most magical cities in the world. Here, winding canals, historic architecture, and rich traditions come together to create an unforgettable experience. Get ready to explore the beauty, culture, and hidden gems of this incredible city. If you love discovering amazing places, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an adventure. Start your journey in the famous St. Mark's Square, often called the heart of Venice. Surrounded by stunning architecture, lively cafes, and the sounds of street musicians, it's the perfect place to begin your adventure. Dominating the square is the magnificent St. Mark's Basilica, an architectural masterpiece blending Byzantine, Romanesque, and Gothic styles. Step inside to marvel at the golden mosaics and intricate marble floors. Don't miss the view from the Basilica's terrace overlooking the square. Nearby, you'll find the towering St. Mark's Campanile, one of Venice's most recognizable landmarks. Take the elevator to the top for breathtaking panoramic views of the city's red rooftops, winding canals, and the sparkling Adriatic Sea. Next, visit the impressive Doge's Palace, a stunning Gothic structure that once served as the residence of the rulers of Venice. Explore its lavish chambers, grand staircases, and the fascinating Bridge of Sighs, which once led prisoners from the courtroom to the dungeons. Just outside the palace stand the columns of St. Mark and St. Theodore. These two ancient pillars once welcomed visitors arriving by sea. They remain powerful symbols of Venice's history as a maritime republic. A trip to Venice wouldn't be complete without gliding along the Grand Canal, the city's main waterway. Whether you take a vaporetto, a gondola ride, or a water taxi, cruising past historic palaces and bustling markets offers a unique view of the city's soul. One of Venice's most beautiful churches, Santa Maria della Salute, stands majestically where the Grand Canal meets the open lagoon. Built as a symbol of hope after the plague, its grand domes and sweeping staircases make it a must-see landmark. For a taste of 18th century Venice, visit Ca Rezzonico, a grand palace now transformed into a museum. Inside, you'll find stunning period furniture, paintings, and elaborate frescoes that transport you back to the days of Venice's nobility. Cross the elegant Accademia Bridge, one of the 4 bridges spanning the Grand Canal, for one of the best views in Venice. The gentle curve of the canal and the historic buildings lining it create a postcard-perfect scene. Another iconic spot is the Rialto Bridge, the oldest bridge over the Grand Canal. Bustling with shops and street vendors, it's a lively place to shop for souvenirs and admire the view of the canal's busy waterways. Nearby, visit the Bridge of Sighs, a beautiful enclosed bridge made of white limestone. According to legend, prisoners sighed with sadness as they crossed it, catching their last glimpse of Venice before imprisonment. For an unforgettable evening, attend a performance at the historic La Fenice Theater, one of the most renowned opera houses in the world. Having risen from multiple fires throughout its history, La Fenice stands as a symbol of Venice's resilience and artistic spirit. Scattered around the lagoon, you'll also find impressive castles and palaces that once belonged to Venice's powerful noble families. Exploring these historic buildings gives a deeper insight into the grandeur of Venetian history. No trip to Venice would be complete without visiting Murano, world famous for its centuries-old glass-blowing traditions. Watch artisans at work and pick up unique, handcrafted souvenirs. Finally, take a colorful trip to Burano, known for its vibrant, brightly painted houses and delicate lace-making heritage. Walking through the island's rainbow-hued streets is a truly magical experience and a photographer's dream. Venice is a city where every corner holds a story and every canal leads to new adventures. Whether you're discovering world-famous landmarks or exploring charming hidden corners, Venice promises memories that will last a lifetime. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your favorite moments in the comments below.